Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I will show you how to create the glowing car parts effect in After Effects the easy way. Let's get started. Before we continue, if you want these exact shakes, I've linked my AM Film Shake preset pack in the description. Just drag and drop and your edits instantly look more dynamic. Alright, let's get back to it. Begin by duplicating your clip. Next scroll to the point where you want the glow animation to start and trim the beginning of the duplicated layer. From that point, move 10 frames forward by holding Shift and pressing the page down key. Split the layer, then move a few frames forward to where you want to add another glow effect and trim the beginning of the new layer. Again, move 10 frames forward and split the layer. Move a few more frames forward to where you want the next glow effect to appear and trim the beginning of that layer. Finally, move 10 frames forward and trim the end of the layer. In my case, I will be using 3 layers for the glow effects, the 2 headlights and the car badge. In your case, you can add as many glow effects as you like. Now let's go to the beginning of the first cut and select the Roto Brush tool. Since I am using the latest version of After Effects, the updated Roto Brush tool is called the Quick Selection tool. With the tool selected, double-click the footage and begin rotoscoping the car part you want to glow. In my case, it's the headlight. Once you are finished, click Freeze and wait for the process to complete. After it finishes, close the rotoscoping window. Now go ahead and repeat the same process for the remaining cuts. Simply rotoscope the car parts that you want to add a glow effect to. Once you have finished all the rotoscoping, the final step is to add the glow. In my tutorials, I usually use the Deep Glow plugin. However, since many of you may not have it, I will use the built-in glow effect instead, which also works very well. If you do have Deep Glow, feel free to use it for a stronger glow effect. Scroll to the beginning of the first cut and apply the glow effect. Adjust the glow threshold, radius, and intensity to your preference, or copy my settings if you like. Once you are happy with the result, click the glow intensity stopwatch icon to create a keyframe at the beginning of the layer. Then move to the end of the layer and set the glow intensity to 0. Now simply copy the glow effect, go to the beginning of each remaining cut, and paste it onto those layers. Once you have applied the glow to all the cuts, preview the video to see the final result. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.